So for connecting, you can see for Bluetooth connecting, we just switch on first. There will be light on, and you have to press function with F1, which is the Bluetooth device 1, and if you want to connect it to Bluetooth device 2, function plus F2 and first during first time. So as I pressed it, you can see it's blinking rapidly blue. So let's function plus F1. Now let's add on my Bluetooth in my iPad, and it gets connected. As you can see, I hopefully think it's connected. Yeah, so it's connected now. So I'll be typing. I hope you see. You can see I am typing PORTRONICS. Keys are also very good, and you can see in this thing I'm typing my channel name coming in Hindi, Dr. Insights. So yeah, that's a manner you can connect and type. It's a comparatively a cheaper version and better version when compared to the original products. Very expensive, economical,